You're welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing my trade breakdown on GBP and which strategy I use and how I was able to take this trade. So I trade smart money concepts and I majorly wait for price to mitigate my origins or order blocks. An order block is a candle before a fair value gap. Yes. So as you can see on this illustration, you have a lower low, a lower high, and a lower low, then a break of structure, which later comes back to this is a trade break. This is the illustration I'm talking of. So as you can see, price has to come first react on this liquidity, and some sellers come in, then it triggers their stop losses, and then it goes to our direction. Yeah, that is a trick there on smart money concepts. So as you can see on, let's go to the chart and I show you what I'm talking about. Yeah, so first delete this. So as you can see on my chart, this was another block here which had a fair value gap plus liquidity to be taken. This is the liquidity I'm talking of. Liquidity can either be higher highs, lower lows, or trend line liquidity. So after price mitigating my order block, you can see it had to make another break of structure here. It had to break structure again, confirming that we are still in a downtrend. So if price comes back, if at all price comes back, if at all price breaks this structure, I'll have to wait for it to mitigate this order block, then I sell again. Yeah, but it hasn't broken structure. So thank you so much for your time. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel for such content. I'm going to be uploading videos about how to trade smart money concepts every week. So every trade that I make, I'll be posting a breakdown of that trade. Yeah, smart money concept is a very simple strategy as long as you follow its rules. Yeah, you have to know before entering a trade. Let me show you another trade that I took before. So as you can see, here is a break of structure. Here, break of structure, and the origin of that break of structure is this is the origin for that break of structure. So I entered a trade here. No, the origin is here. The origin is here. Yeah, and this was the liquidity that I've been telling you about. So this was trend line liquidity. As you can see, price came and took the liquidity here. Price took out the liquidity and it had to go down. So this was a 1 to 4 risk to reward. Yeah, I booked partials after 1 to 4. Let me put for you the short thing. My entry was here. My take profit was right here on this lower low. My stop loss was above this high. So I booked a 1 to 4, but the trade gave a 1 to 5, almost a 1 to 6. Yeah, so this is how I trade I'll always be sharing such content. So now I'm waiting for price to break this line. After breaking here, I'll enter a trade on this order broke there. So thank you for watching. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, like this video so that it can help others who also need to learn smart money concepts. Thank you.